Good morning. I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor, SPC Government College Ajmer. Today we will take Echinodermata, characters and classification of Echinodermata. Echinos means spine, derma means skin. Jacob Klein, scientist, named them first in 1738. They are marine, pentaradial symmetry, star-shaped, triploblastic means they have three germinal layers, anthrocoelous coelom, anthrocoelous type of coelom, pedicellary present, tube feet for locomotion, ambulacral groove is present and interambulacral also present. Water-vascular system is present and related to circulatory system. Hemal and perihemal system also present, related to circulation and excretion. Alimentary canal straight or coiled, respiration by branchiae, tube feet present, respiration with the help of respiratory tree or bursae. Excretory organs are absent. Nervous system and brain are also absent. Nerve ring is present around mouth and radial nerves are present. Sense organs are not well developed. Sometimes one sex is present in one animal or both sexes are present in one animal. Fertilization is external. Fertilization indirect. Larval stage is present. First Eleutherozoa, Asteroidea, Ophiuroidea, Echinoidea. Spermatozoa, Crinoidea. Number 1 class is Asteroidea. 5 arms are present, not separate from central beam. Ambulacral groove on aboral surface. Sucker and tube feet are present. Madreporite on aboral surface. Pedicellary is present. Forceps-shaped structure present. Clean and protect the body. Example is Ophiuroidea. 5 arms are present. Madreporite oral. Ambulacral groove or Vithi conch absent, covered by Ashtika. Mouth and madreporite on oral surface. Sucker absent in tube feet. Stomach like kosh is present. Anus is absent. Development can be indirect and larval form is known as Ophiocluteus larva. Snake star or Ophiura or Ophiothrix are the examples. Next class is Echinoidea. Body is rounded. Pentaradial symmetry is present. Movable shoes are present. Skeleton is present. Ambulacral groove closed and covered by Ashtika. Tube feet are with suckers. Very important character is Aristotle's lantern is present. Mouth and anus are present on opposite ends. 5 or lower than 5 gonads are present and they are with glands. Development is indirect and larval form is known as Pluteus larva. Example is Echinus. Next is Holothuroidea. Body is cucumber-like and cylindrical. No arms are present. Shook on the head. Ambulacral grooves are closed. Mouth surrounded by tentacles. Body wall muscular. Respiratory tree is present. Anus surrounded by papilla. Tube feet with suckers. Auricularia larva is present. Madreporite external or internal. Sea cucumber. Example Cucumeria. Next is Crinoidea, attached to surface, mouth and anus on oral surface, arms branched, ambulacral groove on mouth surface, no suckers on tube feet. Prarandak shool, Vrant part absent, alimentary canal is present and V-shaped. Central disc forms bowl-shaped calyx. Veterinaria or pentacrinoid larva is present. Examples are Antedon, sea lily, and